100% human hair. Y'all see it's 100% human hair. Baby, let me tell y'all something. I felt like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican. Y'all know I love me some Puerto Rican. I felt Puerto Rican in this. Rican. Ooh.
That meme cracks me up every single time, but it's true, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. If you enjoy beauty or hair videos, you are in the right place. I'd really appreciate it if you could show support to my channel by subscribing. Today's unit is by Beauty Forever. It is in a deep wave 24 inches and it's an iPart wig. Here is what the packaging looked like. I also got this bonnet inside as a free gift, and this is my first time ever trying Beauty Forever's hair. First of all, let's start with my braiding pattern. You guys cannot laugh at my cane rows anymore or my part-ins because I am improving, I swear. And this is the gorgeous unit. First time trying deep wave hair. I wasn't really sure what to expect because I only have experience with straight hair or kinky curly. This is the cap construction. We have 5 clips around the parting. We have a band which is removable. I love that feature. We have 1 comb on each side and 1 at the back, so this gives you maximum security. Not only is the elastic band removable, it's also adjustable too, which I'm obsessed with. Let's get into this texture. So deep wave is a new thing to me. The curls go all the way from root to tip. The hair's also really shiny. It's so pretty. If you haven't heard of a Vpart wig before, where have you been? With these Vpart wigs, you don't need any leave out whatsoever. It works as a lace closure and a U-part at the same time, kind of like a hybrid, which allows you to have 0 leave out. First of all, I just popped the cap on and I wasn't really sure what I was going to go for. I normally do middle parts, but in the end I decided to do a side part. First of all, you want to make sure that all the clips are closed while putting the wig on, otherwise it could snag against your hair. Then when you find out what type of parting you would like, that's when you can undo the clips and place them in the correct placement. The goal is to have it as close to your natural part as possible so that you can see scalp. It may take a few tries to get it correct. However, just adjust it as many times as you want to. At this point, I was just freestyling. I wasn't really sure what to do with the hair. I've never had this texture before. So I started by brushing it out with a tangle teaser. I know that tangle teasers are really kind on curly hair and I got hardly any shedding from this unit. I decided to treat the hair just like kinky curly hair. So I used a spray bottle with warm water and I also went in with Mixed Chicks as a leave-in conditioner to help get those beautiful curls to pop. If you don't have this conditioner, it's okay, you can use anything that you like. While I'm rehydrating the hair, I make sure to detangle it with the tangle teaser, making sure that there are no knots, and brushing it really creates a beautiful wave pattern. Once I'm happy with how everything looks, I scrunch the hair to try and influence a little bit more curl and then use a hair dryer with a diffuser attachment to help dry the hair. I love diffuser attachments because you can blow dry curly hair and still keep a lot of that curl pattern in there, whereas if you use a different attachment, it blows everything everywhere and you get a lot of frizz. I am obsessed with volume. So I went in and separated the curls with my fingers, just taking my time to make sure that I don't create any unnecessary frizz. Then I took a tiny bit of almond oil on my hands to help separate the curls even more, and I used this to make sure that it really doesn't frizz up. And then I used the afro comb to pick out the roots and create all that lovely volume that you saw in the beginning of the video. I had my edges flat twisted so that I can try and get it to match the unit, but my own hair is relaxed, so I didn't have much issue in doing that. To make the part look natural, I took a little bit of bedhead hairspray. I sprayed it on the parting only. If you also spray it on the rest of your hair, it will make it really stiff, so keep it just to the parting. Then I took a rat tail comb and back combed the hair that is closest to the part. That is what is going to give you a really natural, seamless look in the parting and leave that parting virtually undetectable. Back combing is essentially just combing the hair backwards. You don't want to do it too much, otherwise it could create knots and tangles. You want to find that sweet spot, so it's just enough to cover up those little black grids. And once you've back combed it for the first time, you don't need to do it again. Every time you wear the unit, it will stay like this because of the hairspray. And this is the finished look. How do you feel about deep wave hair? Have you tried it before? I feel like this is going to become my new obsession. This unit will be perfect to go on holiday with because it's easy to maintain and your own hair is 100% protected. Plus, you can wear this in a side part, a middle part, however you like. All the information on this unit will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe because I always post videos just like this. And let me know in the comment section down below if you are loving these Vpart wigs lately.